In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make over $6,000 a month just by creating viral YouTube shorts. You've probably come across these types of videos while scrolling through YouTube and seen plenty of tutorials on how to create them. But keep in mind that just making and uploading these shorts won't guarantee your success. So stick around until the end because I'm not only going to teach you how to create these viral videos, but I'm also going to share an insider technique, which I'd like to call the super viral strategy, which you can use to ensure your success in this niche within just 30 days, which you won't find in any other video. And if you follow these exact steps, you'll be on your way to becoming one of the top content creators out there with millions of followers and subscribers in no time, enabling you to live your dream lifestyle and work from wherever you want. So don't forget to hit that notification bell. And now let's discover how to make all these happen. So before we dive into creating these types of videos, let me first demonstrate the vast potential of channels producing content in this niche. Take, for instance, a channel named Victor de Matrin. This channel has amassed over 5 million followers, and some of its videos have racked up hundreds of millions of views, solidly placing this niche in the super viral category. Remarkably, it only took a relatively small number of videos for Victor to achieve this level of success. To illustrate further, I'll pull up a few more channels to show you how other creators in this niche are also experiencing tremendous growth. And notably, many of them have achieved these results within just a month or two. You might also be curious about the earnings potential of creating these videos. Let me pull up some monthly view statistics and calculate the earnings of these creators. For this, I'm using a channel that was created just a few months ago, which has already accumulated an impressive 120 million views in the past 30 days alone. With the RPM for shorts being around 10 cents, this channel is easily generating over $12,000 just from ad revenue. Now, imagine if you only reach half of that success, you'd still be making over $6,000 with minimal effort. Keep in mind, these creators often use Blender and other sophisticated software to create their content, which can be quite time-consuming. But the method you'll learn here will enable you to produce a video in just a minute or two without any copyright concerns. To achieve this, we'll be using a mobile application called BeatBounce, which is free and available for both Android and iOS devices. While you download that, let's head over to YouTube and select a song that needs to be recreated as a marble beat. I'm going to type in Harry Potter theme song marble beat and click search. Let's check out this video. I think this video is ideal, so let's proceed with recreating it. First, you'll need to copy the video link and search for YouTube to MP3 on Google. Go to one of the sites that appear and paste the copied link into the converter. Then click Convert and download the MP3 file. Next, search for MP3 to MIDI converter and use one of the sites to convert the MP3 file to a MIDI file. Once converted, download the MIDI file. Now transfer this MIDI file from your PC to your mobile phone. Alternatively, you can complete all these steps using just your mobile phone if you prefer. Next, open the BeatBounce application that you downloaded. The app is available on both Google Play Store and Apple's App Store. Once opened, this is how the interface looks. The app is essentially a game where you can play different songs at various levels. I'll do a demo run to show you how it works. However, you don't need to play the game to generate your melody. Instead, go to User Levels from the menu tab and select Beta Level Editor. Before accessing this feature, you'll need to complete at least one level from this category. It's quite simple. Just keep tapping until the song ends. I'll demonstrate how it's done. Once you've completed the level, you can now click Beta Level Editor. Click Create New and then Import MIDI file. Import the MIDI file you previously downloaded and click Next. You'll need to fill out the creator and artist details to proceed. Afterward, click Next while keeping the difficulty set to medium. Now, choose a suitable instrument to make your melody unique and copyright-free. For this melody, I'm selecting this instrument because it sounds the best. Click Next and then Save. You'll be redirected to an editor. In the editor, you'll create your marble music illustration. You can select the appearance of the marble, adjust lighting conditions, wall types, and animations according to your preferences. Touch the next frame option and hold it until the song completes. You also have the option to add elements like rails or tubes if needed. I'm going to continue holding the next frame icon to finish the visual. Once it indicates 100% complete, click Publish and then Yes. Ensure that the record mode is on and then click the record icon. Keep the settings as default. Once you select Record, your completed visual will be recorded and saved to your device. Here's how the recorded video will look. You might notice a watermark at the beginning of the video, which appears in the free version of the app. To remove this, we'll use CapCut. Go to CapCut.com, select Create Project, and upload your video. Add an element to cover the watermark. This could be a subscribe icon or anything else you prefer. I recommend adding your YouTube channel logo here. I'll find a random logo from the Elements section and drag it to the timeline. Resize it to cover the watermark, then click Motion Tracking and select the watermark area. Click Start and wait for the app to sync. Once the tracking is complete, position your logo over the watermark and adjust the timeline duration accordingly. Now, the watermark is covered and your video is ready to be downloaded and uploaded to YouTube. So since you've been with me until the end, I'm excited to reveal a technique I call the super viral strategy, a game changer that's going to boost the virality rate of almost all your videos. To start, head over to Google and search for the most catchy songs of all time. Make a list of 30 song names. Next, create your first 30 marble music videos based on these songs. Why these songs? They already have the catchy vibe needed for a viral hit and massive fan bases that you can tap into. Upload at least one of these videos each day for the next 30 days. This consistency not only leverages the song's popularity, but also keeps you aligned with the algorithm, ensuring your success on the platform. If you follow these steps and stay consistent, I'm confident you'll be on the fast track to financial freedom. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like and subscribe for more future secrets. Until then, take action and see the results for yourself.